Hey guys, it's BeanCam4. So this is, let me do some counting right quick. 9 days after we planted the initial batch of beans. So we're going to kind of see some autotrophism in action here. So if you remember, an autotroph is a plant called, also called a producer, that makes its own food from inorganic substances and things like sunlight, water. So what you're going to see compared to yesterday, take a look at these two plants that came out the first. Yesterday their leaves were barely developed. Today they're spread out. They're clearly doing photosynthesis. If you notice, the plants have probably grown an inch overnight, which means they're being very successful autotrophs because they're not only producing enough food to survive, they're producing enough to grow because they're growing very fast, very significantly. And let me pan along here. You can see the two that have come up. This is about what the first one looked like yesterday, and this one has just emerged. And then over in, these are the yellow beans, and in the green bean box we have one about to emerge there, and then we have three in various stages. So we are cooking, doing pretty good here. Tomato plant is growing, showed a little bit of signs of transplant shock. You can see a couple of leaves that dried up on the end, but it seems to have recovered and is doing well. And our squash plant quite typically is growing like a weed, which is what they do. This thing will probably start putting out vines and will pretty much be all over the place here pretty soon. Okay, so that's it for the bean cam for today. I'll post some more footage when we have some sort of significant development. See you later, guys.